Hi there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can find your MoneyGram transaction history. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along. So before starting, make sure that you're logged into your MoneyGram account, and this will help you manage your or track your payments sent and receive efficiently. So once you're here, what you will have to do is you will see the section which is either manage transactions or transaction history. So you will just have to click that, and then you will click activity, and then you will filter your transactions by date range, sent or receive, or by payment method, and then you will just have to select any transaction to view details. So it could be the reference number, the sender or receiver name, the amount, and the status. And finally, you will just have to export or screenshot your history if necessary, because it is useful for record keeping or accounting. And yeah, that's basically how you do it. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.